the reason that I've been doing it for so long. It's because it literally changes my life. Do you think that quitting your job and doing what you want will speed the process of finding your calling? Will you be doing what you want for a living? Well, I mean, I guess like the more time that the more time that you put into anything is the quicker that it's going to come to fruition. The only question is like, will quitting your job actually give you the freedom to put all that time in? For a lot of people, quitting their job means that they pull all the stability out from under them, and then they're kind of like rushed to create a living out of their passion, which probably won't work out very well. When I stopped being a web designer, I saved up so that I could take a year off to pursue illustration. In that year, I had a lot of freedom to just try stuff and to just mess around, and because of that, like it ended up working out because there wasn't all this pressure on me to succeed. I talk to people sometimes that are like, "Hey, I can support myself for 2 months. I want to, quit my full-time job and go 100% freelance." I know if I did that, I would just like die under the pressure because, when you're trying to create a career as something you love, like you got to be patient and you got to, like you don't want to just end up in another career that you don't like, which might happen if you have so much pressure on you. So, does that answer your question? I think I'm kind of speaking to it. Kind of, yeah. I think the succinct answer is that the more time you spend on anything, the faster you're going to get there. So if that thing is finding your calling, the more time you spend looking for that, the quicker you'll get there. That just makes sense. It's just time put in. You just got to be careful about what you're sacrificing by putting that time in. Yeah, what Anna says is perfectly. Make sure you won't be stressed about basic needs. Yeah, if you can't take care of yourself, then like you're not going to be able to create this labor of love. I couldn't be building the Happy Faces website right now if I didn't have some stability in the form of some other freelance jobs and some money coming in from Skillshare and things like that. If 100% of my stability came from Happy Faces on everything right now, I would just be super stressed all the time, and I would have to really compromise the integrity of the site probably to make it profitable. But right now I can grow it at a slow pace where I really make sure that it's true to its purpose. Yes, Maslow's hierarchy of needs, I think it is. But yeah, yes. The base level, you must like be fed and sheltered and taken care of, and then only as you progress up the rungs of the ladder, then you can take care of your purpose and the difference you want to make in the world and what fulfills you mentally. Clearly, I can talk about this stuff a lot.